Hi, I'm David with Katana, and in this video I'm going to show you how a manager can send orders from Katana to the warehouse app so that operators can pick and pack them. So let's go ahead and send some sale orders from Katana. First thing you want to do is you want to go to the sell screen, which you can see I'm on here, and you want to pick a sales order. If you're tracing the items on the order, you want to go ahead and add like a batch number. You can see I've got one here. If you still need to add one, you'll see the little warning sign right there. Now, since we have all the items in stock for this order, you can go ahead right here and choose pack all. But if some of the items were just partially in stock, you can also choose pack some and then just prepare at least a part of the order for the shipment. Now, once you go ahead and choose that right there, you can go ahead and pack all. So once you've done that, then you'll see that the sales order status has changed to ready for packing. And then now your warehouse operators can see this task in their app. And once the task is completed by the operator, the sales order status here will change to packed or partially packed, depending again if you have all the items in stock.